What's up, everybody? Alright, we're gonna play some more CrossOut. I built a train on there. Well, I guess kind of like a steam engine. I built a steam engine on there, and I haven't tested it in battle yet, so we're gonna try it. All right. It looks funny. Okay. I feel like the part up here needs to be a little taller, but I had to use what pieces I had. And, you know, they only limit you to 80 pieces, which really, yeah, kind of sucks. But I did change it since the video. I added these pipes under here. I only had this one in the middle right there that I have highlighted, but I added that one, and then I put Omni wheels on it. But I think it turned out pretty good, and my gun is down in the middle right there. The turning angle, not very good. That's why I put the Omni wheels on it, because, you know, see, like whenever you when you turn the wheel and stuff, it kind of goes with it. So that'll help with the turning angle a little bit. And look, you can't shoot high either. Like, I can shoot straight ahead, but look, I can't aim up any higher. The little crosshairs don't go up. But that's okay. Oh yeah, here's what it looks like. Dude, it doesn't look too bad at all. Like, yeah, let's go take it to battle. Ooh, what if I could put the big ass monster truck tires on it too? Nah. Alright, let's go to battle. What should I try it in? Something easy so I don't get my ass kicked. Alright. See how the train turns with the Omni wheels? It's pretty cool. Alright. This thing's really slow. Well, somebody else blew that up. Dang it. Okay, let's see here. Oh shit, we won. Hell yeah. I have some food in the oven. I gotta check on it here in a little bit. Alright, let's see. Let's go ahead and go back to the garage. I don't think I like the Omni wheels on it, so we're gonna get rid of those. Alright, we're gonna put, what are we gonna put on it? Some dualies? Nah. Can I fit the tracks on there? Nope. Ooh, the legs? Oh my gosh, the legs fit. A walking train. Oh shoot, no, put that leg back. Alright, we're gonna do it. Okay, there it is. Alright, let's see. We gotta paint them legs now. Oh shit, what if I put a helicopter thing on it too? Oh my gosh, I could put it right there. Just like that. Looks amazing. Nah, we're not doing that. Okay. What did I paint that the other day? I don't even remember. It's definitely not that one. There it is, steel coating. That's what I was looking for. Okay. Alright, it's all painted back up. I like it. It's a choo-choo train spider. Well, I mean, it don't have enough legs, but if you use your imagination, it has enough legs. Let's see if it's any faster. Turns left and right a little bit better. Faster by a couple kilometers an hour, but that's it. We'll try it. I could always, like, I think I could delete that and put, oh wait, how many pieces am I at? 77? Okay. Yeah, we can put this right here in the middle. Oh, those pipes are gonna fall off. Well, they're getting deleted then. Oh my gosh. $46, dude, it is weird looking. It looks kind of cool though. Alright, we're gonna take that back. Okay, did I fix that side too? Alright, yep. What about hovers? Can I fit hovers on it? I know I can put one up here. I can't put one there. Dude, we're gonna try hovers. That's gonna be. Okay, I'm gonna have to. How many pieces are we at? 76. Okay, I gotta put a chassis piece here, and then I'll be able to add. I should be able to now, maybe. Okay, yep. I don't even know if it'll have enough power to hover. Yeah, I think it might be too heavy. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Top speed's only 41. That is horrible. Alright, we're going to get rid of that piece of pipe, and we're going to put 2 back here. It's going to need it. Alright. How's that now? Anything? I got 47 on the speed now. Gosh. This thing is horrible. Look at that. Stamina touching the ground. Oh, shoot. Yeah, it's like literally just staring at the ground. Ooh, since it's so front heavy. Okay, I can't only... Hang on, I'll be right back. Alright, hopefully that didn't take too long. I could get rid of this plow. That plow is insanely heavy. I could switch it with one of the other ones. That's like half the weight. That would make the front end a little better. Where to go? Right here. Train plow, this one. You know, that actually looks a little bit better. Hey, look at that. Got 53 kilometers an hour now. that piece. We're gonna copy this one, and we're gonna scoot that one forward just a smidge. Wait, are they even? Did I get them even? Oh my gosh. No. That one needs to go forward just one more. Like that. There we go. Wait, what was my speed now? 53. Still kinda... I'll just have to get up close, you know? Okay, that's not too bad. Dude, I think I'm gonna try it with the hovers. It looks kinda cool. And I still need to try my turtle build too. I think, didn't I? Oh, I still have it. Okay. Damn, I really want to save this train, but we'll do a couple more battles with it, and then I'm gonna try that weird little turtle that I made. It's gonna be freaking hilarious. Okay. Kitty cats are getting hungry. They're both sitting in the kitchen just like waiting. Eventually they're gonna start smacking their bowls and it's gonna be really noisy. Alright, let's see what we got. The hovers are working pretty good, but how much I can angle my gun really, really sucks. Whoa, whoa, turn too much, come on. Oh, I only got 25 bullets left. I've just been shooting like crazy, I haven't even been watching. And I'm out of ammo. Sweet! Okay, we won. Yay. Let's see how I did. I got 4 assists. That's not too bad. Dude, honestly, the train didn't do too bad. Yeah, I just made 100 coin, and then I made... Ooh. I'll be making that next. Alright. Yeah, I didn't do too bad with the hovers. Let's see, what other wheels can we put on it? Should we try and throw the big monster truck tires on it? See how it does. Maybe it'll get some better speed. I doubt it. Alright, got those wheels on it. Let's see. Now I have 4 steering. Dude, this thing is huge. Okay. Okay, how fast can it go? 59. That's a lot better. Well, it's up a little bit higher, so now I can kind of aim down a little bit better. Sweet. Alright, let's go try it as a big monster truck. Okay. Alright, we'll try one more of these battles. I'm gonna get a drink of water while that loads. Damn it, loaded quick. Okay. Damn, it still feels so slow. I think it looks kind of cool though. Man, this level's kind of dark. Or at least on my side it is. Dang, I'm not gonna get any kills. They're gonna kill everybody. Holy shit, that was cool. It's like, what just happened? Alright, we won. I didn't really do much because I spent most of the time driving there. Ooh, I got 2 assists. Okay, I think I'm gonna delete it and build something else because, I mean, it was cool to build. And it seems to do pretty well in the battle. Like, if I could just make it a little bit faster, and I could always swap out all these chassis pieces for the lighter chassis pieces. I mean, that would make it run so much better too. Okay, well, we're gonna go to blueprints, and we're gonna get out the turtle. What the heck? Okay, here's my 3-wheeler I made. Which then I like turned it into a motorcycle, and I don't know, it's pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna select this one because it's fucking funny. And I think I was at 60 pieces on it. What other gun should I put? I got a shotgun, 1 shotgun. I could probably put 2 on it, you know? Actually, I wonder, can I fit one right there? Holy shit, shoulder mounted fucking shotguns on a turtle? Dude, this is a badass turtle. Look at that. Oh shit. Oh wait a minute. Okay, this is gonna be stupid. No, not really, it's probably not that stupid. In my head it sounds like fun. So we're gonna throw some rockets on a turtle, can I? Oh, is there no weld point on this side? Yeah, there is. It just doesn't want to be mounted. Oh, I can't mount it on that. Yep, it won't clip to that. Alright, so we're gonna put a rocket there, and a rocket right here, and another one there, and another one here, and can we put more? Alright, I got a rocket-powered shotgun shoulder-wielding freaking turtle. It's gonna be a badass turtle. It's gonna have so much fire coming out of its ass. Oh yeah, this is a fast turtle. 160? Look at this thing. Oh gosh. It nosedived bad. Okay. Oh shit. Dude. Man, it's like this turtle's winning the race this time. Ain't nothing slow about this guy. Well, I mean, he ran. Yeah. Whatever, you know what I mean. Okay, the rockets are fucking awesome. Okay, so oh wait, I was gonna see what kind of damage it can do. Okay, overheated the guns. Okay. I mean, it does okay damage. 2,000? Shoot. That's pretty good. Alright, let's, wait, what's my power score? 5,000? Alright. Let's go do a battle and see how it does. Wonder if people can tell it's a turtle. I hope so. Alright, let's go. It's gonna be good. I am so tired. I was gonna take a nap after work and I laid down and meh, I didn't fall asleep. Oh, and that was really random. But I was up by like 4 a.m. and then I worked until 6:30 p.m. So I was gonna try to take a little nap, but I mean, if I'm gonna take a nap that late, I might as well just probably go to sleep. Dude, what if I just go really fast and just crash into somebody? Oh shit. Oh my gosh. I crashed into somebody hit. That was amazing. Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, they got him. Okay. Dude, I like how this thing steers. It steers really good. I need to put some kind of plow or something on the front to help protect the turtle's face. Oh, they got him. Damn. Okay. So we're going to modify the turtle just a little bit. Because now it's like, instead of a normal turtle, it's Battle Turtle now. I gotta change its name. Okay, let's see here. What if I do a frame piece, probably the light one? Like that. And then that's probably not out far enough. Oh well, we'll see. See, we could put one of these bumpers on it. God, that looks stupid. Okay, what about one of these ones? Kind of gives him a big metal chin, you know? Can always put it really low too. Alright, I think I'll do that. I think that'll be okay. I do like the rockets on this thing though. Freaking helps. Okay, let's go get some metal again. It's gonna be awesome. I gotta get another drink of water. Alright. About time. No. That did take a little while to load. Alright, let's see how the turtle does now. Alright, Battle Turtle, let's do this. I think I'm gonna put a cooler on it somewhere else. Oh shit. Sorry. I just crashed into one of my teammates. Oh, I lost my head. Dang it. I think think I got... Oh, I didn't get that kill. What? Damn it. Dude, this thing, it's doing pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna get a shot on this guy. Come on. Did I get that kill? Fuck yeah, I did. Alright. Ugh, that was cool. I'm oddly liking turtle. Like, it's pretty awesome. Okay, let's see, I got a cooler right there. Or not a cooler. I got the shiver there, yeah. And then... Wait, if I delete that? Nope, that ruins the whole thing. There's not space for a second one on here. What if I put it right there? Maybe. Whoa. Okay. Oh yeah, duh, the cooler. Well, one of these. I think I can stick it in here. That's weird. Okay. Oh, that's exactly where it was mounted. Okay, right there. Wait, what? Oh, barrel collision? Oh, shit. The barrel of the gun collides with the weapon. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm an idiot. Barrel of the gun collides with the radiator that I was trying to put on it. Okay, so we're gonna put those back. I wonder if I bit it. Right here on the roof. Perfect. Just like that. Okay. You know what? We're gonna add some other pieces. It's gonna be good. Shoot, I think that'll be good. Oh, it's still gonna kind of look like a turtle in some kind of weird, fucked up way. If I scoot that forward just a little bit, or should I? Should I scoot that forward? Maybe. All right, whatever. We'll try it. We'll try it. Okay, let's see here. Have I used? Yep, I already used them. Okay. Answers that question. About these. Can we put them like this? Nope. I mean, I can, but it's just, I don't know. Don't like it. Okay, I'm not gonna use those pieces. What about this one? You know what? That's gonna have to work. There we go. Big old rocket-powered turtle. Okay. Let's paint that top part, and let's see. What did I paint that? Is that dark gold? Yep, it's dark gold. Let's go ahead and paint these. Oh, look at this. If you squint hard enough, it is still a turtle. Yep. Okay, we're gonna go battle now. Oh, it's so cool. Well, I think it's cool. So, whatever. Oh wait, no, I don't want to do PvP. I suck at that with, well, with these kind of builds that I'm using. All right, hang on. All right. All right. Dude, it still looks like a turtle. Oh, what the hell? I'm gonna be the first one there this time. Probably get killed first, too. Heat them guns up. Okay, if it gets crazy, I'm gonna get out of here. Wait. What if I just drive in circles as fast as I can? Anybody want to get dizzy with me? Damn, I didn't get that fucking kill either. Dude, that cannon hurts. Oh, they killed me. Dang it. Oh well, that was pretty fun. Alright, who else is alive? Okay. Oh, there's this person up here. Oh, look at their build. Oh, that's so cool. What guns are they using? The Hurricane? Oh, he's got the invisibility thing on. Cool. Oh, he put his guns directly underneath. That's actually really cool. Ooh, somebody just got a good hit on him. Alright, let's go see what somebody else is doing. This person is really down here in the shit. Oh, no, he goner. Who's all left? Alright, guy in the sky. Or whoever in the sky. And damn, we lost. We got defeated. That's okay. I still had fun. That was great. Let's see, what challenges am I doing? Alright, let's go back to the garage. And look at that, I leveled up again on playing with fire. And Blazing Horizon. Alright. Dude, the turtle does really good. Okay, let's see. 8 points of energy on this gun. Like, I wonder if I can put a different gun there. Let's try it. We're gonna use this. Can I put that there? Oh, wait, I saw it. Holy shit. Oh, wait, these are 12, aren't they? No, they're 11. Okay. I'd have to get rid of a couple rockets. Wait, or at least... I don't know. Maybe... those ones? I don't think there's enough still. Requires 4 more energy. Okay, so I'd have to take the rockets all the way off then, right? Oh, I still won't have enough for 2 of these. Will I? Nope. Damn. Okay, we'll put the rockets back. Alright, we'll just find a different weapon, because I like my rockets on there. What about this one? Impulse? Takes 10. Needs 4 more. Okay, so I can't use any other grenade launchers. Probably use a wasp. Okay, let's see what it does. Because with the shotguns, you know, it was doing like 2,000 damage. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, alright, we're gonna try it again real fast. We're gonna see. And if I actually like land all the hits. Dude, I don't think anything can beat the shotgun ones. The plasma shotguns. Yeah, I did 600 damage on that one. Okay. So we're gonna get rid of those. I'm probably just gonna have to leave the shotguns on it. Or I could do these. Shoulder mounted machine guns. Alright, these take 6 energy, don't they? Okay. If I get rid of one rocket, I could put... Well, wait a minute. How many energy do those take? Yeah, they take 6. Dude. Oh, shit. I grabbed one and moved it, but... Okay, yeah, I need 2 more energy. So if I delete 2 rockets, I could have 3 of those guns on here. Oh, yeah. That's gonna be cool. What should I do about these? Should I put something in the middle there? Put these in the middle here? Actually, yeah, we'll do that. I don't like it. But it's gonna have to work. Alright, let's see what kind of damage these do. Probably can't be too much more. Or, I know it's not gonna be any better than... It's not gonna be better than the shotguns. There's no way. Dude, 1,800 is not bad. Because the shotguns did 2,000. So... That... okay, no, that's fine with me. Alright, let's go test it. Yeah, 2,000, almost 2,000? Shoot. Alright, let's do it. My dinner is done, and I keep going over there and taking bites of it. So, I don't know. I'll probably be done playing here in just a little bit, though. Because I've already been playing for about 40 minutes, and that's long enough, really. God, what is with those things and those heat-up weapons? Oh, we won. Hell yeah. Okay, that battle went by pretty quick. Dude, the turtle is doing great. Like, I don't know, I got 1 kill and 2 assists on that one. I mean, I feel like that's pretty decent. Alright, let's go to the next battle. Ooh, I want to jump it. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, I should not be in here. I'm just gonna shoot everybody so then I get an assist. Damn it. That was cool. I got blown up good. Oh, dude. That looks cool. What? That's so small and like... Ah, that one's kind of cool. Unless there was more to it and it got broke off, but I think that one... That's how that one looks. Dude. Ah, I think I'm gonna save the turtle like this. Because Battle Turtle is doing pretty damn awesome. I think I'm gonna find some pieces to like stick in the sides right here. To kind of cover that up. If I can. Let's see. Maybe these. No. Well, let me put that in there. Okay, let's see. We're gonna put something down the middle of it. Like this. If it will, if it'll let me, it may not let me do that. Oh wait. There we go. Okay, that's a little better. Not really, it's still kind of stupid. Okay, and then this, if I can turn it correct, we're gonna go... Oh, I can't. Damn, alright, whatever. The game never lets me do anything. Okay, how about this piece? Wow, that looks so stupid. That's okay. Damn. Alright, we're 42 minutes in. I might actually be done with this video. I don't think I'm gonna save this blueprint like this. Yeah. What's on this build? Okay, we're gonna... I'm not keeping the turtle like that. It's just gonna be normal. So I'll have to just... If I want to battle with it, I can just like change it each time, you know? That would be kind of neat. Alright, we got this one with the threshers on it. Alright. Oh yeah, this one I have a machine gun, and these. I have both. Alright, let's go try this one out. Alright. I think this is one of my favorite flying builds that I've made. I think it looks pretty cool. It's still pretty slow. I suck at flying. Ooh, I actually got that kill. Oh gosh, there's a wall there, and I flipped upside down, and I'm stuck, and... Okay, we're good. Oh, he's right there. Oh, I got that kill. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, this build does really good. If I could just learn to fly it better, I think it would do really, really well. I think tomorrow I'll probably play some more with that build right there. Yeah, I'll do more with this one tomorrow. I wonder if I just like fucking... What if I get rid of these? This is gonna be stupid, but it's gonna be fun to try. Alright. Oh, I can't. Can I put it? I could probably put this on here, but I'm gonna have to... Okay, I wonder if I can put it on there now. Nope. Okay, what about now? Okay, there we go. Let's see. Alright, we'll put that on there, and it kind of looks like a ship, like a boat. Yeah, it kind of looks like a boat. Alright, and back here, we'll go ahead and throw the impeller thing on it. There we go, look at that. I have a helicopter. And you don't. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Oh shit. Let's see if that flies. Whoa, I like how it rocks. Okay. Oh, it flies way different than the, like... Oh, I can't even shoot that gun now. But that's alright. Honestly, I feel like this is a little bit better. I need to move this gun though. We're gonna mount it upside down. Oh wait, not upside down, let's see. Damn, I don't think it'll let me put it in here. That would be cool. Oh wait. Oh shit, did I see it just mount up in there? Oh damn. Okay. Oh my gosh, look, and it has decent angle. Okay, let's try it. Oh shit, hit the top of the... Okay. Oh shit, dude, that's cool. I didn't realize I could put that gun in the front right there like that. Okay, if I like scoot these back. I wonder if it can still steer okay or not. We'll find out. I just want that to be... Alright, let's see how it flies. Oh shit, I hit the top of the garage door again. Ooh, friendly honk. It gives me copper, and then I usually go kill him anyways. Alright, let's see. Okay, that shoots better. Okay. It was getting blocked before. Dude, this thing kind of stays up in the sky a little bit better, too. Okay, I really like... I like this. This is awesome. What's my durability? 3,400? What? I didn't realize it was that high. I should have done a video on this build. This one was way fun to make. Damn, I actually like this. Okay, we're gonna put a piece right there if I can. Oh no, we're at 80 out of 80. Shit. What if we delete that and put this in here? Is that too big? That's way too damn big, bro. Okay, well, so that piece is a no-go. What about this one? Actually, that might work. It's not the prettiest, but it's too wide and it's as tall as I need it to be, so we're gonna use that. Okay, it's gonna be mounted a little funny, but whatever. Ah, shit, that's not gonna work. Okay, I was gonna put this right here, see how it looked. It's not horrible. That's stupid. Okay. I don't like that either. Alright, ooh, what about this? Dude, that might work. Okay, okay. We're gonna do it. Alright, after this, I'm totally, getting off of here. Scoot it back one. There we go. Alright. Wonder if it'll still fly good. Wait, what are we at? We need one more piece. And this build is completely different now. What about that piece right here? Nope, that's stupid. Where'd it go? No, we'll try one of these. Not that one. Wait, is it that one? No, that's pretty dumb too. Okay, then one of these. Yep. Okay, that's hideous, but it's gonna have to work. All right, let's paint it. All right, there we go. I officially have a helicopter. Dude. Oh, it's so cool. Got him. Whoever that was. Oh wait, that's actually my older brother's build. That was one of my cousin's builds. Dude. Other than getting hit by that, this thing just annihilated. Okay, that is my twin brother's build. The big one walking. That thing hurts. I'll friendly honk it right now, but watch. It's gonna fuck me up. Stop shooting me. If I can get his guns knocked off. Ah, damn it. His always blows me up. I'm gonna leave this one like this, and I'm gonna use this tomorrow in maybe a raid or something. I'm gonna try it. Okay, shit, that is it for this video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Damn, I wish I could have done a build on this. That would have been awesome. Well, a video on this build. But it's whatever. See you guys later.